of the video, we will be discussing integration by substitution. And in our previous video, we talked about integration, and we said integration is what? Antiderivative, and we explained it with much examples. So go back to our previous video and understand what is integration. And also, we said in our last class that under integration, we have several methods of solving integration. We have integration by part, we have integration by substitution, we have integration by partial fraction, and so on. And I promise you guys that I'm going to take all of those videos. So in today's video, we're going to look at integration by substitution. But before we start, please subscribe to the channel page and always click on your notification buttons for more videos. Also, let Matafe know your question and contribution in your comment box. So let's start. If you're asked to evaluate this function in x all over x into 1 plus in x all squared, this is not a polynomial function. So for you to integrate this function, you have to apply a substitution method. So let's go. You're asked to do this. You're asked to integrate in x all over what? X into 1 plus in x all squared. Now, first and foremost, you write your solution. By substituting this, you say let your u be what? 1 plus in x. So that my du dx is what? When you are differentiating a constant, you have 0. If you differentiate in x, you have what? 1 over x. So that if I cross multiply, I will have that my dx equals to what? X du. Cross multiply, you have this. Also, we are going to fix all of this in this and integrate. From here, I can also say that to make my work easy, I can find the value of what in x from here, so that I'll say that my in x is equal to what? Bringing this to the other side, we have u minus 1. Having all this parameter, we want to fix it back to this question and do our integration proper. So let's go. We want to integrate this function in x. What is our in x? U minus 1 all over x into, this is our u. Remember we said that let u be this. So this is our u, all what? Square. There is the dx here. And what is my dx? X du. So that we have x du. This is what we are going to integrate now. But we have some common factors that we can clean off, because we are integrating a function of u. Every other thing will be constant. We are integrating a function of u at this point. So from here, I can rewrite this as u integral of what? U all over u squared minus what? 1 all over u squared du. So that one of these will cancel this, and we are going to integrate that out. The integral of 1 over u is what? In u. Minus. Now, let us bring this out and solve. From here, I have what? Minus 1 over u squared. So, I can rewrite this as what? U raised to power what? Minus 2. There is still a minus here. From the law of indices, I can rewrite it so that when I want to integrate, I bring the minus out, u raised to power minus 2. When you are integrating this function with respect to the u, what will you have? You add 1 here and divide by the power. So that I have minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. U minus 1 all over what? Minus 1. There was a minus outside here, so the minus and minus will go. And we are left with what? U raised to power 1 minus 1. And this can also be written as what? 1 over u. We are integrating this function, this is what you have. So that this place that is minus, remember the minus and the minus has cancelled, so you have what? Plus what? U raised to power what? Minus 1. Plus what? C. When you are integrating a function, remember to always put what? C. So now, remember this can also be written as what? 1 all over u. Remember what our u is. Our u is what? 1 plus in x. So we are going to substitute that. We write into what? 1 plus what? In x. Plus. This is 1 over u. So I can write it as 1 all over what? 1 plus in x plus c. C. And this is our final answer. So let's see how we can solve the second problem. Let's use this part and solve the second problem. Let's see how we can solve the second problem. We said we are asked to do what? We are asked to integrate this function 4x square root of what? 5 minus x squared dx. We are going to follow the same procedure. First and foremost, we said solution that my u, I stated my u be what? 5 minus x squared, because I don't want to stress myself too much. So that my du dx will give me what? If I'm differentiating a constant is 0, minus is that will be what? Minus 2x. So that my dx will be what? If I cross multiply to be du over what? 2x minus. There is a minus outside. So I'm going to substitute all of that into this function so that I can integrate. So I have 4x square root of what? U. Remember the whole of this is u. What is my dx? Du over what? And the x is what? Minus, I'll bring the minus outside. Minus what? Du over what? 2x. X will cancel this, 2 will cancel, and this will be what? 2. So that we have, I hope you are seeing the board very well. You can carry it to that side so that we have, from here we say, from there we have that our integral, let's continue from here. That's only if you are seeing the board very well. So that we have that our integral, when we substitute, we had 4x square root of u. And what is our dx? Du all over what? 2x. And there is a minus here, so we are going to bring the minus outside. And I said this will cancel this. 2 will cancel this, and we have 2, so that we have minus 2. It is a constant, so we bring it out. Square root of u du. Now this is what we are going to integrate. And this can also be written as what? Minus 2 integral of what? U raised to power what? 1 over 2 du. You know, 1 over 2 is the same thing like the square root of this. So if you are integrating this, you have what? Minus 2 plus 1. 1 over 2 plus 1. You do this, 1 plus 1, 2, we have what? 3 over 2. So that we have u 3 over 2 all over what? 3 over 2 plus what? C. Now we are going to do this proper, and that will be what? Minus 2 times what? We invert this to be what? 2 over 3. U raised to power 3 over 2 plus what? C. And that will be what? Minus 4 over 3. And what is my u? What did we say our u is? We say our u is what? 5 minus, so that we have 5 minus what? X squared into what? 3 over 2. So this, you multiply this out and you have what? 6 over 2. If you multiply that out, this times the square outside there. Okay, the square is inside here. And we have what? 3 over 2 plus what? C. And that is our final answer for the solution number 3. So for the question number 3, I will leave you to go and work on it and leave your answer in the comment box. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your contribution. Thank you.